Okay, this is Dave
Hello.
showing us how the technique for
Taco shells.
taco shells, fried taco shells.
And we put a little piece in the beginning just to see if the oil's hot, because you want your oil to be hot. It's getting crispy. I think we're in good shape. So take our first tortilla here, drop it in the oil. Flip it over. Actually, you need to turn that down a little bit. So I'm going to grab it, make our shape, and hold it into the oil with the fork.
I see.
We're going to let that first side, yeah, it's really hot.
Okay.
Get nice and crispy there.
You can always remove it from the heat too if you need to.
We're okay.
Slow it down. Don't get hurt. Oh, smart. Okay.
I'm going to go like this.
Yep.
And just wait till it looks nice and brown.
That's beautiful.
So this bottom fork is keeping it flat to get the other, while it's cooking there. And then we use the tongs to hold it in place. That's looking pretty good.
That's really nice.
Drop it on the tortilla or on the paper towel there.
So see how he dropped it upside down.
So I put it in the first time and then let it get going a little bit and then flip it over. So on the inside will be cooked a little bit.
And Dave, you said your mom used to do that?
My mom used to do this. She, when we lived in El Paso, Texas, learned to make Mexican food there. Which of course is not Mexican food, but probably like a
Tex-Mex, we call it.
Tex-Mex,
Yeah.
yes.
Tex-Mex.
So she always made her own taco shells. One thing that she would do is she would always fry one flat and then put cheese on it. And then put it in the oven to melt the cheese and make a little tostada.
Ooh, yeah.
The most exciting time she did that, she put them in the oven and forgot about them and it caught fire. That was a fun day.
Did the house burn down?
Nope. That was
Okay.
almost as much fun as the day she stepped in the paint can,
Oh,
painting the kitchen.
We've all had mishaps with paint, let me
Or
tell
when
you.
she was a parent of 3 children, went to the store and she's like, "Where's the ice cream I bought today?"
Oh no.
And yes, it was in the pantry.
Oh no.
Where it had been for 3 or 4 hours.
Well, who put it there?
She
Was
put
one
it
of the
there.
kids?
Oh no, she put the
I
groceries
don't
away when she
know.
came home.
I don't know.
Yeah, it's
Might
always,
have been you.
like Eileen said, it's always mother's fault.
Yep. Blame the mama.
Blame the mama. It's never her fault, but she always gets the blame.
Yeah. Ooh, now that one almost stuck together, but he saved it.
Saved it. It was
Saved
a miracle.
it. It was a miracle
save.
save.
That was pretty good.
Dave, the miracle save.
So this is actually working pretty good. These tongs are better than the ones I use.
Okay, and then how is the heat? Because we've kept it at, this is 5 on an induction stove top.
I think the heat's pretty good because we got
And-
good bubbling there. It's
Yeah,
not taking
see
too long.
the oil is bubbling quite a bit.
And you turned
but-
it down a little bit, didn't you?
I did. It was
Okay.
up to 8 and then I turned it to 5 and it's still bubbling. I'm kind of surprised at that.
I think we're in good shape there.
I'm going to give this a little bit of a stir.
Actually, we could probably use a little more heat.
Okay, a little more heat. I'm going to only maybe turn it up to 7,
That sounds good.
not 8.
It's still a little
Is it a-
soft there. It's not getting crisp.
Okay, so we have taco meat and then we have rice and we have all the accoutrements, cheese,
Ooh, I like that. How did you say that?
accoutrements,
Accoutrements?
lettuce, sour cream, salsa, cilantro, and this is like one of my favorite things. I know, it's Taco Bell mild.
Now, can you use a French
Taco
word
sauce.
to describe Mexican toppings? Is that really appropriate?
I don't think you can. I don't know how.
So this is American fusion, I guess.
Yeah.
We can say we're doing French Mexican, right? French tacos?
No,
No.
I think we're doing. I
No.
think we're doing Dave tacos.
I think the
tonight.
French people would probably
Yeah, they'd be like,
not be happy with this.
that is really
So
Ridiculous.
if this video gets watched in France, I apologize for anybody who's offended.
Sorry for my accent. So where's the microphone?
It's on the front.
Oh, it's this way. Okay. So we're learning how to use the GoPro.
Yes, this is
Video
practice.
cooking, videoing cooking meals. Ooh, that's a, maybe I need to turn it down.
We're in good shape
We're good?
there.
Okay.
Yeah.
I just turned it down
So
one.
it's getting a little leathery there, and we're
Okay.
ready to. It's going to wait till it has some structure where it'll hold that shape when we bend it over. And again, I'm holding it down with the fork to make sure that it stays flat for the part that's in the oil.
Yeah,
There's nothing
let's
worse.
see. So it takes probably, what, maybe a minute for each shell?
Yeah, maybe
I
a
would
minute
say
or so.
that's not that long.
Not too bad.
Yeah.
And you want to avoid getting any water in there too, because that's painful.
Oh, yeah.
It starts popping. Like
Yeah.
if your tortillas are wet,
Yeah.
that's a bad thing.
It's a very bad thing. These are
So
dry.
make sure that your tortillas don't have condensation on them or anything.
Yeah.
Okay, that one's looking a little brownish. Getting there. That temperature's a little better.
These are what they're doing right now. We're just waiting. They look really nice. See how they hold the shape.
Is that nice and
Really
crisp?
nice and crisp. Beautiful.
Now, the trick when you eat it is not to have the whole thing crumble in your hands.
Well, yeah.
Which does happen.
It does happen.
Sometimes you have to pick it up and continue eating it until you're done, because
Yeah.
there's no way you can set it down
You just gotta go for
without
it.
disaster. A little more there to get a little browner.
Let's see. Yeah, that takes about a minute. So let's say like 30 seconds per side. About you
So we can-
maybe kind of flip it. You still want to kind of flip it back and forth a little bit. Make sure it's brown enough.
Nice and brown.
Yeah. Beautiful.
That one's perfect.
Yeah. That's a really. Do you need a break?
Nope,
Okay.
doing good.
How many? What's your record? How many have you done in one
Probably
evening?
a dozen or so.
Really?
Yeah.
I think
Not too hard to get going on it.
the hard part is waiting for them to be done because we really want to just like let it, get into these tacos.
You do. It looks good and crispy. It's like put some meat and some cheese in
Yeah,
there and let me at
let's
it.
get it. Let's get it in our bellies.
So of course you can buy a little gadget that holds it in shape while you fry it.
Yeah.
Where's the fun in that?
Yeah.
You have to show off your skills.
Yeah.
Taco skills. That's
And
where
I think
it's
you
at.
have to use your muscles too, because you're kind of using your, you have to stand there and you have to use
Oh,
your
yeah.
arm muscles.
I'm working hard at
Yeah,
this.
yeah.
So everybody
He's
should
working his
appreciate it.
biceps.
Working those biceps, working the hands there, keeping that tortilla
Yeah, from burning and,
from burning.
and folding over. You have to be really quick and kind of watch that part.
You have to fold it before it gets too hard too.
Yeah. But when you first put it in, it kind of is floppy, so you have to
Yeah.
be careful that it doesn't fold over on itself, and then you can't get it unfolded and unstuck.
Yes.
Basically.
So we
So
should.
it has to be a little bit of quick.
So we should get a seventh one there, and we'll do a flat one
Okay.
just for fun. This one's
Do we need a little bit more heat, maybe?
might need a little more heat.
It's interesting how it. So you want the oil bubbly, so you might have to adjust the heat after a couple of them,
There we go. Now we're
because
getting
then the
this.
heat, the heat lowers.
And the tortilla will cool off the oil too when you drop it in there a little bit.
Yeah. And so how much oil do you think that was? About a half a cup?
I do enough to get one side covered,
Yeah, so
and I probably got, I don't know, maybe a little too much there, but not too bad.
maybe it's like
Quarter inch or so.
quarter inch, okay. And this little pan works well because it's just the right size.
Okay, let's do a flat one.
Okay.
These are much easier.
There's no trick to that.
And some of the corn tortillas will poof in the middle.
And so you just keep pushing them
And I
down.
just keep fighting back. Mostly on that first side. Once you turn it, it's not going to poof anymore.
So then this is like a tostada.
Yes,
So we're just doing
exactly a tostada. Nice and
That's
brown on one
probably
side.
15, 20 seconds maybe. On each side maybe.
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah.
Keep it down in the oil.
Don't tear it though. You gotta make sure you don't tear it. See how gently he flipped it?
Yes,
That was
that's
very good.
tortilla
That's-
finesse. That's called.
That's a real tortilla finesse and pro right there.
Yes, it is.
I don't know. I think Dave and I are making a good little cooking team here.
So I'm thinking like Mike
maybe
might
Dave's
be kind
gonna.
of jealous.
Yeah,
here. Like maybe
we might have our own channel.
We might.
Dueling channels.
Dueling channels.
Ooh, that looks good.
So do you have like just a little plate we can
Yeah.
drop this on? And we'll just
And then
go
do one more. You have to
in
do.
a sec. We're just
Okay.
gonna, while it's hot,
Okay.
we're going to
So
grab a
just gonna
little
do-
cheese, sprinkle on there. You may not even have to put it in the microwave, but heat from the
I
tortilla.
think it might just melt. You give it a few seconds, huh?
So there's that.
We'll set that aside and see how it melts as he's doing the last one.
If not, we'll pop it in the microwave.
Yeah. Okay, see how he pushes it down? I'm gonna turn it down.
Fight back the poof.
Fight back the poofiness. Don't let it poof. But you're not really sticking it with the fork either, are you?
No, just
Okay.
pushing down
Just
the.
pushing down.
where
He's
it
not
puffs
stabbing
out.
it with the pokey part.
Exactly.
What do you call
Pokey
it? The
part.
tines?
Tines.
The tines, yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so now he's waiting.
So we should do a show sometime about forks, because there are 3-tine forks and 4-tine forks. And
Why?
they have a different name and different purpose.
Oh.
I'm not sure what that is,
Oh.
but I remember hearing about that and think
Oh, you have
that
to
might
do
be
one of these.
interesting.
Oh, you want to
Yeah.
do one of those?
Oh, you're right.
No, you
I
can't.
forgot.
That's okay.
Okay, too late now.
Is it? Okay.
We're gonna do another
Oh,
one.
you
of
know
these.
what? You can put that on top of that one.
No.
No?
Gotta do another one.
Okay.
So we need one more plate.
Okay.
So you got me talking.
Sorry.
I'm not paying attention to what I'm doing.
So a sign of a real pro was he wouldn't have gotten distracted.
I am not a real pro. And I certainly do not get paid to do this.
I know. He's doing this for
I do get
people.
free dinner out of it though,
Yeah.
so I could technically say I'm getting paid.
Pain with food.
Yes. We'll cook for food.
Yes.
There we go.
Okay. Yep.
Okay.
That one.
So this
Okay.
one is going
This
to
is
be
the last one
a
now.
shell,
Yeah.
not.
No. Okay, so we'll get
Not a
one
flat
more
one.
technique. Okay, see, so he's turning it around, just letting it get a little bit. Oh, see how he flipped it and it folded? But
That's
see how
okay.
quick he is. Then you have to get it unstuck.
Uh-oh.
Yep. Uh-oh. That's okay. That's okay. It's gonna work. Is it?
We need a little more.
Okay, a little
little
more
structure
little more
before we do
structure.
that. This one's really soft for some reason. I
Oh,
don't know what's going on there.
you flip that. Okay, there you go. He recovered it. Now that is a pro right there.
We'll see.
Oh, now he let it slip. Well, that is a softy one.
Yeah, that one's like,
Huh,
it's refusing to do its thing.
yeah.
We
Well, you
might be
can't
able
have
to
them
pull
all
it out. We'll
perfect.
see how we can
Yeah.
get it.
Ooh,
Okay, got a
okay,
little
he's got, okay,
little
he's
structure
getting
there
it.
now.
I think he's gonna
And?
recover it. Yes.
Will he do it?
Yes.
Will it work?
Will it?
Or will it be a disaster? I think it's going to work.
I think it's gonna work.
It may taste a little funny, but we'll see.
Oh, well, you think like too oily maybe?
Well, it's the same
I
amount of
don't
oil.
know.
I don't know
Yeah,
what
it's
happened
weird.
here.
Oh, maybe I turned it down too much?
Oh, did you turn it down?
I turned it down a little, yeah.
Okay.
Maybe that was it. Okay, that was my bad.
No, that's good. We're in good shape.
He's making it work because he's the pro.
Make it work.
Make it work. As Tim Gunn would say.
Yes, if Tim Gunn's
Come
watching
on,
this,
people.
he's going to cringe, I'm sure. Yeah. It's just not getting hard yet.
Huh. Well, that's weird. Maybe that one had some moisture to it.
I don't know.
Oh. Well, a little bit, yeah. Wasn't as dry as the other ones. Okay, well that makes a difference for sure.
I think we'll be okay.
If not, I do have backup. I do have already made from the store.
Oh, no.
But
no.
we were told
That's
we weren't
not
allowed
acceptable.
to do that, so here we are.
Okay.
But I think it's going to be saved. What do you think?
It just looks different.
Yeah.
That's really weird.
Yeah, I think the ones in the lower part had a little moisture on it. So that's an interesting chemical reaction thingy for you chemists out there. So this one is taking a little bit longer to firm up, but nevertheless, he has
I
done
think we
it.
did it. There's our beautiful 6 shells.
Gorgeous. Okay, now we're going to turn that off. Yep, I'm going to turn all of it off. And we're going to be almost ready to eat. Okay.
That cool?